In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an answer play a sound in Microsoft PowerPoint. By the end, you'll be able to click a specific answer on your slide and have a sound play instantly, perfect for quizzes, games, and interactive presentations. Start by opening your PowerPoint file and navigating to the slide that contains your question. This is the slide where the interaction will happen, so make sure the layout is clear and that your answers are easy to see. Next, add your answer choices to the slide. You can insert them as text boxes or as shapes, whatever looks best for your design. Go to the Insert tab, then choose either text box or shapes, and type in your answers. Using shapes can make answers stand out, but text boxes work just as well. Arrange everything so it's easy to click the correct option during your presentation. Now it's time to add the sound you want to play when the correct answer is clicked. Go to the Insert tab, select Audio, then choose Audio on my PC. Locate the audio file you want to use, such as a chime for a correct answer. Supported formats like MP3 and WAV usually work well. When you insert it, you'll see a small speaker icon appear on your slide. That icon represents the audio file and will be the object you link to the animation. Select the audio icon, then go to the Animations tab. Choose Add Animation, and from the list, pick Play. This tells PowerPoint that this audio should play as part of an animation sequence instead of automatically. To make the sound play only when a specific answer is clicked, open the Animation pane. Find your audio animation in the list, click the drop-down arrow next to it, and choose Timing. In the dialog that appears, switch to the Triggers section. Select Start Effect on Click of, and then choose the exact text box or shape that represents the correct answer. This links the sound to that object, so the audio won't play unless that particular answer is clicked. Finally, test your setup. Start the slideshow for that slide. When you click the correct answer, the one you chose in the trigger, the sound should play immediately. If nothing happens, double-check that you selected the audio animation in the pane and that the trigger is set to the right object. You can repeat these steps for other answers with different sounds if you're building a full quiz. That's it. You've created a simple, reliable click-to-play sound effect tied to a specific answer in PowerPoint.